In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Facebook to your WordPress website. If you're managing a website on WordPress and want to seamlessly integrate your Facebook account, you're in the right place. Connecting the two platforms allows you to easily share updates, promote your site, and expand your audience. Best of all, the process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step so you can get everything set up with ease. And if you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description below to create one and follow along. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, look for the login option. You'll typically find it in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it to access the login screen. Now, instead of manually entering a username and password, I recommend selecting the Continue with Google option. This method is not only quicker but also more secure, as it uses your existing Google credentials to log in. Once you click on that option, a prompt will appear showing a list of your Google accounts. Choose the one you'd like to use and complete the login process. Once you've successfully logged into your WordPress account, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, we're going to navigate to the Tools section. To find it, locate the menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard and look for the option labeled Tools. Click on it to open the Tools menu. Next up, within the Tools section, find the marketing options. These options are incredibly useful because they allow you to promote your site more effectively. Click on Marketing, and you'll see a set of features designed to help you expand your online reach. Now, under the Marketing section, look for the Connections tab. This is where you'll manage integrations with other platforms and services. Click on it to access the connection settings. Once you're in the Connections tab, locate the option that says Connect with Facebook. This is the feature you'll use to link your Facebook account to your WordPress website. Click on that option to begin the process. You'll see a Connect button appear on the next screen. Go ahead and click the button to initiate the connection between your Facebook account and WordPress. This will open a new window or prompt asking you to log in to Facebook. At this point, you'll need to enter your Facebook credentials, your email address or phone number, and your password. This step is crucial for verifying your identity and granting WordPress the necessary permissions to integrate with your Facebook account. Once you've entered your details, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. And there you have it. By the end of these steps, your Facebook account will be successfully linked to your WordPress website. This integration will allow you to streamline content sharing, boost your site's visibility, and engage with your audience more effectively. So now you know exactly how to connect your Facebook to your WordPress website. If you have any questions or run into challenges during the process, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.